So hello guys, and welcome to yet another Gearbest gadget review, the video review. Today, or tonight, it's like 10:15 p.m. We have auxiliary cables in variant colors. This is a orange one, blue, and I got myself another one, and this is purple. It does have some golden plating, as you can see it. Very nice. Very nice colors. True to life. No flimsiness. It's braided. The cable is totally braided. No flimsiness, no scratches, no dumb noises, nothing. Works like a charm. Plug it in. Well, we already have the music on the back, so I'll show you that even the controls of the speaker do what they're supposed to do. Okay. Very nice. Comes in these little packages. Here's the one from that purple. You can use it for storage afterwards, or if you're reselling it, you can always use the packages like this. The original package all in one comes in these kind of bubble wraps that are guarantees that it's gonna stay where it's meant it to stay, to wherever you're shipping to. And I love it. They're just doing the job they're supposed to do. Nice work, Gearbest. Very nice work. Recommendation is total.